Stamattina mi sono alzato e ho trovato l'invasor. Oh partigiano, portami via.
Welcome back to another amazing video. In this video, I have brought an amazing Python GUI application. I have built this application using TKINTER module in Python. This TKINTER module is basically used to make graphical application in Python. This app which I call the weather data app is basically allows user to see the data of the weather, and the data is in the form of the graphs. So it allows user to see the data based upon yearly, monthly, and seasonally basis. So what user can do is that it can just go to the app, select the year option, and then the application will ask him of which year he want to see the data of. I have added almost the data of the previous 4 years. So if the user want to see the data of say 2010, it will just select the 2010 option in that GUI application, and it will pop out the graph of the data of the weather of that particular month or particular year or particular season, whatever the user has selected. So before starting the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let's start with it. I am opening my text editor. I use Sublime text editor for coding. It is completely fine. You can use PyCharm and Visual Studio, whatever you like. So let's open it up. It will take some time. My computer is a bit slow. Not a bit slow, it is very much slow. And here we are. So it is basically the whole amazing code made by me, and I've used object-oriented programming. You see, in object-oriented programming allow us to make difficult application in a very simple way. In object-oriented programming, we basically make classes, and from their classes we made some objects. For example, it is just like that. If I want to code for a car. For example, I want to program that will make a car. So I will make the class of the car, and then I will specify some attributes. The car, for example, the color of the car, its number of doors, its speed, its mileage per hour. So that's are basically the attributes of the car, and that are attributes of that class. So whenever I create an object, and the object will be some car, a car object will be created from a car class, and that object will have all the properties of that particular class. So that's basically the whole concept of the classes in Python. I'm going to run my GUI application, and Control B. Control B is basically the shortcut to run the program in Sublime Text Editor. Here we are, our amazing Python GUI application. You see, in the front interface, it is a very simple interface. It is just showing us a picture and a welcome message, and of course my trademark, as it is made by me. And this GUI application is asking us on which basis we want to see the data of, whether we want to see the data on yearly basis, monthly or seasonally basis. So let's see the data on the yearly basis. Press it, another GUI window. Now I want to see the data of 2001. Here it is. And what if I want to see the data of 2000? Here it is. Now let's see the data based upon seasonally basis. I want to see the data in the winter. I want to see the data in the spring, in summer. You see, that's amazing Python GUI application. What I'm trying to do in previous videos, that here I have just in this GUI application I have just downloaded some graph from the net, and whenever I press some button, for example, as I press the 2000 button, the button that represents the year 2000, or any other button, it basically takes the graph and displays it on the screen. So what I want to do is that I want to write some web scripting script and attach that script to this application. So whenever I press or hit some button on my GUI application, it fetches the data from that particular weather site and shows it to the user. So it will be a very amazing project. I will work on it, and I will make a video on it as soon as possible. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also the source code is in the description below. You can check it out from there. Copy it and play around with it. Change the colors in the Python GUI application. It will be very amazing. That's all. Bye bye.